Indian agriculture demands an immense physical toll. For generations, farmers have strapped heavy, chemical-filled tanks to their backs, wading through uneven dirt for hours in intense heat to protect their crops. Every step is an imprecise effort. Spraying by hand means the chemical coverage is completely inconsistent, leaving parts of the field vulnerable. Combine that with unpredictable weather, and every single harvest becomes a high-stakes gamble with razor-thin margins. The sheer difficulty of this labor is emptying the countryside. Young people see no viable future in the dirt, choosing to pack up and migrate to urban centers in search of a stable income. Those who stay are forced to accept severe health risks. The manual application methods release dense clouds of pesticide drift, exposing the farmers themselves to toxic chemicals just to secure a yield. Without an absolute mechanical intervention, the rural economy will lose its workforce entirely. If fields will simply sit empty, the intervention is arriving in the form of a 1-acre digital airport. Constructed from repurposed shipping containers and powered by advanced solar arrays, the Meghdev Drone Station drops deep tech infrastructure directly into isolated rural landscapes. At the center of this station is the HAL Center digital kiosk. This is where local youth stop packing their bags for the city and instead undergo technical training. They become a HAL Saathi, a rural entrepreneur certified to operate advanced flight operations for their own community. Their first operational task is to map the physical farm. Using aerial data, the system scans the acreage and builds a digital twin, a perfectly measurable, purely digital replica of the physical soil. Looking at this breakdown, the system tokenizes land into grids. The tile measures 1 square meter for planning flights. Zooming in, tiles break down into 1 centimeter cubes and 1 millimeter pixels, where AI diagnoses microscopic leaf diseases. By digitizing the soil down to the millimeter, the guesswork is gone. The HAL Saathi now has the exact algorithmic data required to protect their neighbors' fields. When a local farmer notices a problem, they send a simple request via the HAL app. Instantly, the digital order hits the local station, and the HAL Saathi's highly structured workflow kicks into gear. The hardware they deploy is the Vago agricultural drone. This is a heavy-duty, high-capacity machine capable of carrying a massive payload ranging from 10 to 70 liters of liquid fertilizer or pesticide. Once the payload is locked in, the drone lifts off autonomously. It uses the pre-planned digital map to navigate the exact field boundaries without manual steering. It maintains a precise flight path using RTK positioning, a technology that calculates the drone's exact location down to the centimeter. Simultaneously, onboard radar and LiDAR sensors actively scan in all directions to autonomously dodge trees and power lines. The results on the ground are immediate. With a perfectly uniform application, chemical waste drops by 40%. It covers 15 acres an hour, and no human breathes in a single drop of toxic mist. A young person from the village has successfully diagnosed a crop threat and executed a precision aerial mission to save a local harvest. They replaced a back-breaking manual struggle with Aerospace engineering. This exactness stabilizes the entire local economy. Every drone spray and irrigation event is logged immutably on a blockchain ledger, turning a risky, weather-dependent gamble into a highly predictable, data-backed yield. That predictability makes the farm investable. Through the virtual farm network, people in cities can lease fractional digital tiles of the farmlands, injecting urban capital directly into the rural operation and sharing in the harvest profits. The people leading this vibrant commerce hub are the locals. Young men and women, certified as HAL Saathis and HAL Daddies, now function as technology leaders within their own communities. The station creates a constant stream of high-skill, year-round employment. It provides a financial and professional anchor that keeps families together and stops the drain of youth to the cities. This single village hub does not operate in isolation. It connects to larger, block-level Vago centers, supported by a fleet of electric vans constantly moving spare parts, drones, and expert technicians. This hierarchical structure scales all the way up to the district headquarters, where massive Tier 5 Meghdev hubs act as central drone airports. The blueprint connects 831 districts into a unified national grid. With this physical infrastructure established, the applications multiply. The same network designed to spray crops is perfectly positioned to deliver critical medical supplies to off-grid settlements or conduct complex industrial inspections. The rural youth who once looked towards the city skyline for opportunity is now sitting at the control center of an advanced logistics network, architecting the digital future of their hometown. By placing aerospace technology directly into the hands of grassroots communities, the physical limits of the soil no longer restrict the local economy. The sky above the farm opens up as a highway for rural prosperity.